I was outside to a place where boxes are not, away from structures where men pray, worship, and repent. Architecture of man make religion a cage, enclosing people not fully at home in their hearts where God dwells. I looked for God up in the skies, a freedom and a love embraces and heals. Resting in a forest, I beheld the beauty. God must be vain. Nature's stunts better than the pageants of men. Remote land formations make me want to leave home. Rare animals I want to see alive in their native lands. There are stars, comets, and galaxies I've gone to. But I'm always back to this little wonder that is man on this earth, green and blue. The cathedral of God, beauty seen and unseen, where life is unfolding and love is ever manifesting. Intelligent must man be, but why does he wonder why nature burns and drowns? To box temples he goes, clasping hands, bowing in shame. But to nature he doesn't care, feeding his greed, obsessing things, turning God's revelation into a wasteland, stinking his ugliness inside. Has he lost his mind? He cuts a tree, he cuts his breath. He feeds a fish with plastic, he poisons himself. A steward he no longer is. What has become of man and his worship?